class 3G Marketing Communication. I want to tell you about my hobby. I have a hobby of playing futsal. Futsal is one of the most popular activities for children in Indonesia, including me when I was a kid. I play futsal very often with my friends at home because it is one of the activities that is quiet, easy and easiest to do and play with children my age. As a child, almost every day I played futsal, whether in the morning or in the afternoon, at home or at school with my friends. I have a hobby of playing futsal because my parents often watch football match which make me want to or not. And over time, I was very interested in soccer, both futsal and football. However, because football must be played on a very large field with quite a number of players, therefore I prefer to play futsal with a space that is not too big, only the field in front of my house with only 5 players in one team. Besides that, my middle name is also inspired by one of the football players who play in the World Cup. Maybe from there my parents tried for me to become a football player. When I was young, if I want to play futsal, I only need enough people, not wearing any shoes or footwear with wickets that are formed using sandals and mud balls. As a child, the ball used was a plastic ball. However, it was different when I was in junior high and high school. At the time, I was serious enough to carry out of my hobby, using complete shoes and other equipment that are usually used to play futsal. In fact, I often participate in futsal championship, whether it's only limited to between village or between classes. When I was a kid in elementary school, I did my hobby when I had free time, be it on holidays on after school. I invite my house friend to play futsal when we get home from school. And usually when I play futsal when after asar prayer until just before sunset. However, when I was in junior high and high school, I did my hobby only when there was a match or when someone asked me to play. And usually, when I was in junior high and high school, I played futsal not only for fun but for playing seriously like against other classes on or other schools. Like the story above, I do my hobby depending on the time when I do it. When I was little, I did my hobby only in the field near my house and also in the field that was in my school. However, when I went to junior and high school even now, I did my hobby on the official futsal field. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.